Let us write an algorithm to generate even numbers from 100 to 200 using a for loop. To generate even numbers from 100 to 200 using a for loop. This is what we want. So the first step in the algorithm is start. The second step, in the second step I want to use for loop, and here I am taking I values are starting from 100 to 200. So I want to display the numbers in this range starting from 100 to 200. But if I am writing like this, for I is equal to 100 to 200, and if I am suppose displaying this I value, then it will display the number starting from 100 to 200. I don't want all the numbers from 100 to 200. I want only even numbers starting from 100 to 200. I want even numbers only. That is our question. That is our question. So if I want even numbers, what I have to do is I have to write step size. I have to mention step size 2, then do. That means what? Take the I values from 100 to 200 in steps of 2. So when the step size is 2, what happens is I value will be initially 100, then this step size 2 is added. So I value will be 102, then the step size 2 will be added. Again I value will be 104, then 106, 108, 110, 112, like this up to 200. I values are changing. That means we are getting even numbers in the range from 100 to 200. So we have to write like this. Do means execute, and what I am doing here is just I am displaying I values. So this is our logic. Now, how can I convert this logic into a Python program? So here I am going to write the program to generate even numbers from 100 to 200. The second step in the algorithm is for loop. So that for loop I am using for I. Then you have to write in. In is an operator in Python. So for I in means I values are taken from what? Coming from what? I want to write here a range function, and the range of starting value 100 and the ending value I am taking a 201. Why? Because if I am taking a 100 comma 201, then it will produce the numbers starting from 100 to 200 only. That means this 201 is excluded. One element, one number before this it will stop. So it will produce the number starting from 100 to 200. In that, again step size 2, I have to write 2. And then colon represents that we are starting the body of the for loop. So that body generally we will write in the next line. So here I can write print of I. Now please observe, I values will start from 100 and ends at 200, and in steps of 2. So 100, 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, like this up to 200 only. The even numbers will be displayed here because of this print function. Let me save this code and run module. So you can see all the even numbers displayed starting from 100, 102, 104. Observe these even numbers, and you can see at the end 198 and 200, up to 200 the even numbers are generated.